console cannot update during existing state transition, such as with the render. Render method should be pure functions. Oh, Han Solo. So, what? So we can do default value. Hey, SQ2 official. Sorry, just having fun. So that'll allow us to do something, to change it. And then is that updating? Sweet. So that's how we do it. Crashed and burned like a Rails app. Too soon. You guys are funny. We just hit a milestone. We're now over 12,000 people have tuned in at some point, or 12,000 views. Alright, so when this changes, we should update the server. That's janky. We can make it dance. There we go. I have no clue what Jenna Marbles is. I'm assuming that's something. It's something. Alright. Oh. I get that. Alright, now I understand that she's a YouTuber. I don't understand the context, but it's alright. You don't have to explain. It's not a big deal. So now that we've done that, I wonder if that'll work. It did. It did. It didn't save it because we didn't pass that. So we don't really need this on click anymore because we're not doing anything with it. So we can get rid of that. Oh, snap. Thanks for that. Woo. So we need to do Ajax. It's going to be API list and then list ID. Type is going to be put. How do I send data? Oh, data. Let's see if that works. Expected application JSON. I have not checked out WebRTC. What is the type? I guess we could do data type.
Let's play pinball.
Yeah, content type. We could do headers. I am not a huge fan of Angular. I've used it for 2 separate projects and I came away not really feeling like it was really hard to make the code clean and easy to read. You basically just end up with a bunch of like scope dot functions everywhere. And the fact that they're changing it pretty drastically in the next release is kind of, it could be annoying for some people. Invalid end character looking for beginning of value. That's because it's sending that. Do I have to do JSONify? Wait, really? Yeah, so I'm not really a big fan of of Angular. So I mean, do I really? Nah. So I guess I have to include JSONify.
Congratulations, you scored 0.
Alright, stringify parameter. A better model view controller? I mean, Angular isn't a model view controller. I'm not sure what you mean. JSONify. Where the hell is that damn thing? No, I think I want to do the opposite of that. I think I want to do the opposite, which is JSON.stringify, right? Method converts a JavaScript value to a JSON string. Yeah. Yeah, see, that worked. So see, yeah, I mean, it is model view controller, but I don't know. I don't think Angular really, I don't know, does that properly. The MVW part is kind of strange, and I mean, when I think of model view controller MVC, I think of model being access to the database, view being, you know, the actual display, and then controller being the thing that communicates with the model and then presents the view. And Angular is not a model. I mean, unless you consider JSON to be your model and you're writing and reading JSON, which is not true, you're going to need some back end for it. So I think that the M in the MVW of Angular is bullshit, because you're still going to need something to actually make it stateful. But that's just my personal opinion. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Just use whatever you're comfortable with. I'm not gonna like look at your code and not use your app if it's built in Angular or anything. Alright, so that worked. So here we need to, we're gonna get the list. What do you mean, what type of API do I prefer? Like API as in application programmable interface, or an API as in like a web API? I mean, I started to play with Ember and I like Ember, but at the same time, yeah.